I just want to show you these suction cup hooks that I found. They have been so useful in my bathroom, holding up my hand towel. There's my little above the toilet cabinet. It works so well. This cabinet is sort of like it's textured. It's not totally smooth. Untwist. I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is the base that you will adhere to your surface, and this is the suction cup portion. You would place that in the middle, center it, twist the knob fully tight, and then it's so strong. You've got two hooks, and I love how these little bumpers are there to protect the surface behind it. There you go. Definitely recommend these, and they come in a 2-pack.